How to import Blender animation into Roblox. So install the Blender plugin here. Download the Blender animation importer plugin from Roblox. In Blender navigation to edit preference, install and select the downloaded plugin file here. Now once you do this, enable this plugin by checking the box next to it preference here. Open your R6 rig file in Blender. If textures are not appearing, go to the shaders editor and load the appropriate texture image. Switch to pose mode to animate your rig using the move, rotate and scale tool. Once satisfied with your animation, export it as an FBX file. Now open Roblox Studio and create a new project. Insert a base plant here. Insert an R6 rig into your project. And once you do this, go to the plugin tab here. Select this Blender animation option and import your animation files. Now use Ctrl plus V, or if you use a Mac, then use Command plus V to paste your previous animation. After importing, upload your animation to Roblox by naming it and saving it with your project. Right, so this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.